do some creative activity and create a poster with them. So you want to make your classroom more interactive. You free an entire board on the wall and you're going to make a quote board. So you're going to ask each of your A-level students to pick their favorite quote and to analyze it. So it could be a quote linked to a character, so they could do like a character portrait using that quote and explaining why that quote is their favorite and how they define best their characters. So you also teach them to analyze that quote. Put on your board, for example, a list of analytical phrases. They use at least one or two in their character description, analyzing that quote. And then altogether, each of them would put their quote poster on that board, and that would be a quote board.